is contributing to the solution or our behavior is contributing to the problem. We continue to emphasize that it is not possible for police to police every individual individually, and therefore, where there has been success elsewhere, where there has been success globally in maintaining and containing this virus, it is because individuals have taken up upon themselves to be part of the solution rather than part of the problem. Further, the committee noted that the response to COVID-19 is not just a health matter and has encouraged all sectors to get involved, and specific sector leads in government and private sector to engage their respective stakeholders in defining the enforcement measures required. Sectors of particular interest are trade and industrialization, transport, education, interior and interfaith council. Sectors will lead in addressing the country on these measures in the following few days. With regard to the education sector, the current evidence and data does not reflect increased cases among learning institutions, notwithstanding the morbidity and mortality among school-going children has been extremely low. For that reason, and in the meantime, to ensure safe and continued learning in our education institutions, all teachers are strongly implored to present themselves for vaccination against COVID-19. This is to safeguard not only the future generation by ensuring that we continue with the education in our schools, but also is to protect the teachers themselves, particularly those of above 58 who we have continued to implore to work from home. With regards to counties, as the government makes arrangements to install oxygen plants, counties are urged to ramp up efforts to install oxygen piping